Hey y'all, hey, happy Friday. Happy Friday. Hope everyone is doing great. I'm just in here about to try to fry some oyster mushrooms. They say you can fry them and they'll be like chicken, so we about to see. I got these from Jungle Gems yesterday. What is happening here? My light got dark. That was weird. Anyway, I gotta go get a new phone today, y'all, because let me just get started with this because my storage been running low and all types of stuff. So I ain't gonna do a whole bunch of talking. I'm just gonna angle y'all down here so we can. Why does the screen? You know what? I might have to plug my phone up. I think it's trying to go dead. I'm gonna have to plug my phone up. Hold on. Let me go get my charger. Okay, y'all. Sorry, I'm back. I had to go get a charger and plug my phone up real quick. I hope the screen isn't blurry. Hope you can see good. So, alright. So we're going to make, let's fry these mushrooms. These are oyster mushrooms. I can't even talk. See? Let's cut it first. You're supposed to be able to do this just like chicken. It's supposed to be just like chicken, so we're just gonna cut it into a piece. We're gonna cut it into a piece like that. There's another piece, and another piece, and another piece. And we'll cut this one too. Now, from what I understand, this gives the whole texture of a piece of chicken. So it shouldn't be mushy or anything. I'm gonna rinse these mushrooms off. Let me rinse them. Let me put them back in this container. I need a snack. And rinse them off. Well, I'm about to fry these mushroom chicken, so. About to fry this mushroom chicken real quick. And you can be my taste tester. Alright, so being that this is like vegan inspired, you should use those Just eggs, those soy eggs, but I don't have any. So we're going to just use a regular egg. I'm going to use a regular egg here. Part of our batter. Hopefully that one egg is enough. If not, we'll add more. No biggie. And then let's get some flour here. Just gonna open this new bag of flour. Come on. Let me turn my grease on so it could be getting hot. Put some flour. Whoa, that was a lot. Probably way more than we needed. But it's okay. We got our flour and our egg here. Let's put some seasoning in it. We're going to season both of them. I'm just going to put that in some garlic. Put some garlic powder and some pepper. I'll put all that flour in there. And I feel like I got a extra season. Alright, and we're going to season our mushrooms. Okay? just using the back of this spoon. Fork. I feel like let me just put one more egg in there. I feel like that ain't enough. We're going to put one more egg in here. That one egg ain't enough. But like I said, this is vegan inspired, so technically you would be using, probably should use that just egg, use that, or whatever else vegans use. I'm not proclaiming to know what vegans use as egg substitute, but I will learn so I can tell you. How about that? Get these little pieces in here too. And we just gonna sprinkle some seasoning on them. Oh, Deidre, why did I do? Oh my God, why does that kind of stuff happen? Okay, it's on the cutting board, so it's cool. We'll leave the pepper. Put some garlic powder. Let me scoot y'all back so you can see. Garlic powder and a little seasoning salt. Already got some inside of the. Okay. Alright, so let's put some oil in here. And let's get this going, baby. That's enough. I'm using canola oil. Use whatever type of oil you prefer, but we're gonna dip it. They falling apart. We're gonna dip it in there. And then dip it in our flour. See if we can get one to stay together. Dip it in our egg mixture. I'm trying to just use this one hand. Just waiting on that grease to get hot. Probably should have used a little bigger bowl too. Grab some tongs. Tongy tongs. Oh, let me let y'all, let's see. Let me try to get y'all over here so y'all can see inside there we go. Now you can see inside the skillet. But you saw how I dipped it in the egg batter and the flour, and then I'm gonna put it in this skillet. Should be, let's try one. Yeah, it's sizzling. It's sizzling. Video I found this looks so good. I was like, let me try this. So I went to Jungle Gems yesterday to get this oyster mushroom. I got way too much flour in this bowl. It's a little bitty bowl. And I should have had a bigger bowl. do this big one. These supposed to fry up just like chicken. So we about to see. I've got a few little straggly pieces left. I used 2 eggs and that seemed to be enough. But like I said, this is vegan inspired, so you might want to use like the just eggs. I just don't have that. I don't have any of that, so. And I got some little miscellaneous pieces here. Alright, let me wash my hands. And we can tend to clean up my mess, y'all. Y'all watch my mushrooms for me so they don't burn. I've never cooked a mushroom like this before, so I'm not exactly sure how long it needs to be before I flip it over. But I can kind of judge a little bit. Alright, let's see. I want it to be just a little bit browner. This one looks brown. Let me see. Okay, let me look. Okay. Okay. Yeah. You put hot sauce on. Are you supposed to put hot sauce on mushrooms? I don't know. These looking kind of. They looking kind of good. I'm sure my daughter is skeptical and will not really have any faith in this, but them is looking kind of good, I must say. They are looking kind of good. Get a plate. I feel like those look really good. Like they're not falling apart. They okay. Give them a few more seconds. Get me a paper towel here to catch this grease. This wheel. Alright, we're going to take them out of there in 1 second. I don't want to burn them up. Okay, let's get these out of here because we don't want to burn them up. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. over. Take that one out. Look at that. I'm impressed. I am really impressed. Can this be the new chicken? Can it be? Get these, look. Get these little pieces out of here. That off. All right. Wow. I'm completely impressed. I am. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sorry about that. Just had to cut that out. Okay, it's dirty. But look at this. Look at this. Fried oyster mushrooms. Let me go get her so she can try these. Come try these mushrooms. Don't be trying to steal my dance moves. Don't be trying to steal my dance moves. Alright, I don't have no kind of sauce to put on them, but I'm like, yeah. While we wait on her, I'll try one. Oh my God. You don't even, it's like you eating chicken. Wow. This is just like eating a piece of chicken. Hey, 10 out of 10, try this. Seriously. It's mushrooms. Oyster mushrooms. What in the world? I don't know what's taking her so long. Girl. I don't like mushrooms. Dalia, it's just like... Hold on. Huh? I want you on the camera with me. Yeah, go over there. Dalia, you remember...
No, you don't
okay,
no, you don't have to yell, Mom. I'm right here.
I'm telling you, I'm shocked at how good this is.
No, you're so...
Try one. Try that little one. Put some hot sauce on it.
I don't like hot sauce.
Oh. Just eat it, Dalia.
Mom, why do you gotta look at me like that when I try something?
Because I'm shocked. Don't eat it with no pickle. This girl eating a pickle. Are you wrapping it in a pickle? I mean, but don't it give you like... It don't give mushroom, do it? Honestly. I'm shocked.
It's good.
Yeah. Hey, 10 out of 10. Try this, for real.
With a pickle.
She ate hers with a pickle. I'm sure that was good, too. But I'm about to put some hot sauce on some of these. Oh, she's digging in again.
This one.
But, hey, this is good. What time is it? My other daughter be home in about 5-10 minutes. I'm going to have her taste it when she get home. If she ain't fasting. But that's the end of this video. Make you some fried oyster oyster mushrooms. 10 out of 10. Tastes just like chicken. I highly recommend it, okay? So until next time, y'all be good. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all be good, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh, and go watch the video I just uploaded with me making the cabbage soup yesterday. The cabbage soup is about gone. It was supposed to last 3 days, but today it's going to be a wrap for that. Tomorrow, what's tomorrow? Saturday? Tomorrow, I might be making veggie burgers. So, I'm trying slowly to get into this no meat thing. I'm really, really trying. Even though I have spaghetti and chicken and dumplings on my menu for one day next week. But still, I'm trying. But figuring out new things to make and new options is terrific. Now, I could definitely do this in place of fried chicken. I definitely could do this in place of fried chicken. Try this, for real. All right, bye.
'Cause I don't want the simple life. It's the fine things I like.